First launched in 1937, the iconic Evergreen, the granddaddy of twins, the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200. A 1200cc 4-stroke liquid-cooled parallel twin engine producing 98.6 horsepower at 7,250 RPM, 112 Nm of torque at 4,250 RPM through a 6-speed gearbox and a chain vinyl drive, serves as the chosen power plant for the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200. Fuel is fed through a 14.5-litre tank, and the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 sees a clean consumption of 19.7 km per litre. We found the real-world consumption to be 18 km per litre with a mix of city, highway, and pretty hard riding, potentially giving you a range of 261 km before you run dry. Your mileage may vary. The 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 rolls along a 17-inch cast aluminium front rim wrapped by a Mazda Racetech tyre. In the rear, also a 17-inch cast aluminium rim wrapped by a Mazda Racetech tyre. Same, but different. Power to the rear wheel is managed by a traction control system. Topping the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 is dependent upon dual 320mm rotors, clamped on by dual 4-piston monoblock M50 Brembo calipers in the front, and a single 220mm rotor clamped on by a single 2-piston floating Nissin caliper in the rear. The brakes are supported by a 2-channel ABS. Keeping the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 suspended are a non-adjustable upside-down Mizuchi front fork and dual preload adjustable rear shocks. A hybrid dash serves as a window into the soul of the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200. An analog speedo and tachometer encased in its own housing with an LCD screen each showing info like gear position, fuel consumption, and the likes. It, however, does not come installed with a USB charging port, a wasted opportunity. The 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 supports 3 riding modes: Rain, Road, and Sport. A complete LED lighting package comes with the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200, with a twist: a hybrid headlight that features LED daytime running lights, an incandescent main headlight, an LED tail light, and LED signal lights. Regular servicing is every 16,000 km with 3.4 litres of engine oil with an oil filter replacement. Major servicing with a valve clearance inspection is every 32,000 km. Amos is 1.84 meters tall. Wait. Wow, you see this fella? Showing off our new 333 t-shirt. Get yours today at our merchant stores. With a seat height of 809mm and a curb weight of 212 kilos, let us show you how he looks on the bike. He's got an upright, relaxed posture. With Mark coming in as a pillion, he felt that it was super spacious and the pillion seat very comfortable. At a combined weight of 170 kilos, the dual preload adjustable shocks bottom out, but we were only on the first level of preload adjustment. Still okay. With a height of 1.72 meters, Alvin, our guest from 333's Motorcyclist Telegram group, wants to show you how he looks on the bike. Thank you, Alvin. The turning radius of the bike is very wide for its class. In our opinion, the very first impression you get when meeting the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 is a sense of refinement and nostalgia with its clean lines, simple form factor, and its classic-inspired fuel tank, complete with a really niche tank cap. Ride her, and you realize that she packs one heck of a punch. It almost feels like the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 was made for the rider who also rides the Speed Triple. A rider who loves instant power, long power bands, and is downright naughty, but decides that he wants the grunt of a twin on a ride through the country or down the coast, in style. Make no mistake, the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 is still a very naughty machine, like a wolf in sheep's clothing. The ride on the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 was very tight and balanced. She rode through and handling was spot on. Although she looks like a chill ride, we found that the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 likes being ridden hard, like chase the corner kind hard. Nice. The suspension performed well and braking was just the way we like it. Excellent feedback and bitey. Although we didn't notice any real performance difference, why Brembo in the front and Nissin in the rear? Both Brembo lah! Brembo. Also, why Mazuchi only the front? Maybe to bring down the 28.9 thousand Singapore dollar machine price before COE and insurance. Don't get us wrong, despite the OEM party, all the components work together nicely. We like the sound of the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 twin exhaust. Let's have a listen. Although quieter with the stock, still okay. Of course, aftermarket exhaust along with so many other parts are available, like a longer handlebar that we wish came as stock. As always, check with your local authorities for legal limits. We especially like the typical twin grunt on the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 in the lower rev, but was surprised how smooth she rode at highway speeds. Understandably, rev her higher and vibrations follow, but it only added to the fun. We noticed significant heat at stop-go city riding, and especially when the radiator fans turned on. The heat quickly dissipated once we got on the move, but the rider's seat remained warm. Not unbearable, but noticeable. Tough one. Very fun, but hot. How? Very okay? Still okay? Or not okay? Let us know in the comments below. We also didn't notice the infamous dual shock wobble on most dual shock bikes. Very okay. Overall, the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 is a solid machine, but we wouldn't recommend it for the newer rider. 1,200cc between your legs without experience to tame it isn't such a good idea. Experienced riders, on the other hand, can expect a quality machine that packs some serious power when you want it. Definitely put smiles on our faces every time we gave her some. We got the 2022 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 from Triumph Singapore, but as with all our reviews, they do not have control over our content, allowing us to bring you true and unbiased opinions. With that, I'm Winston and see you on the road.